It's 90 degrees outside, you have the most gorgeous sundress hanging in your closet, and you're standing there in jeans. Again. Because you know what happens the second you walk out that door in a dress. That burn starts. That raw, stinging, I cannot take another step, thigh chafe that ruins your whole day before it even starts. If you're a woman over 40, especially here in the US where summers are no joke, this video is going to change your life. I have tested every hack, every product, every trick so you don't have to. These are the 5 things that actually work. Let's get into it. First hack, and this one genuinely shocked me. It's called a bandelette. These are lace thigh bands with a silicone grip inside. They sit right where your legs rub, they look like pretty lingerie, and they do not roll down. I repeat, they do not roll down. For women in their 40s and 50s, this is the move because it feels like wearing nothing, but you get total protection. No shapewear, no compression, no sweating through your whole outfit. Just a cute little band that you can grab on Amazon right now for under $20. If you're still using baby powder, girl, we need to have a serious conversation. Baby powder clumps, it turns pasty when you sweat, and it lasts maybe 20 minutes in real summer heat. What you need is Body Glide or Megababe Thigh Rescue. You swipe it on like deodorant, it dries completely invisible, and it holds up through humidity, walking, dancing, everything. I keep one in my purse at all times for touch-ups. This is your $10 insurance policy against any bad thigh day. Okay, I have to be real with you here because this is where a lot of women over 40 go wrong. You reach for your old Spanx thinking they'll help, and they make everything worse. Tight shapewear in summer heat traps moisture and bacteria. I'm talking yeast infections, skin irritation, the whole nightmare. What you actually want are lightweight bamboo slip shorts. Look for seamless, high-waisted, no compression. Brands like Schemes, Commando, or Amazon Sea Folly line are all great options. They're barely there, they wick sweat, and they give you that peace of mind when a breeze hits. No one can see them, no one will know. But you will feel completely free. Here's one that has nothing to do with what you put on your body and everything to do with what you buy. Polyester dresses are cheap, they're everywhere at Target and Amazon, and they are chafing factories. Synthetic fabric traps heat, holds moisture right against your skin, and that creates the perfect storm for rashes. This summer, look for linen, cotton, or rayon blends. They breathe. Air actually moves through them and keeps your inner thighs dry. Less moisture equals less friction equals zero chafing. Check the tag before you buy, it takes 2 seconds and it will save you so much pain. And finally, for those of you watching this because your thighs are already on fire right now, here is your overnight rescue routine. No soap on that area in the shower, I mean it. Just cool water and a gentle pat dry. Then apply Aquaphor Healing Ointment or Pure Aloe Vera Gel. Both are under $10 at any CVS or Walgreens. Put on the loosest cotton pajamas you own and let your skin breathe. By morning, you will feel significantly better. This actually works. I've used it myself more times than I'd like to admit. Look, our bodies change as we get older, and that is completely okay. But we don't have to give up our style, our comfort, or our summer because of it. You deserve to wear that dress. You deserve to feel good in it all day long. Tell me in the comments, which one of these are you trying first? And if you've got a secret weapon I didn't mention, drop it below, because this community shares everything. Hit subscribe for more honest, no fluff style advice for real women over 40. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for weekly tips.